Marinated roasted chicken. Ingredients: 1 whole chicken, about 1.5 kilograms. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon ginger. For garlic cloves, minced. Juice of half a lemon. Salt to taste. Instructions: mix the spices with olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice. Rub the chicken thoroughly with the mixture, inside and out. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour, preferably overnight. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius (392 degrees Fahrenheit) for 1 to 1¼ hours, until golden and fully cooked. Serve with roasted vegetables or rice.